Okay, in this video we are going to show you how to log in and check your profile on the VamVam web and app. So for now we are going to be working with the VamVam web. If you are a new student, if you are a student and this is your first time you are logging to this app, you are expected to provide your matricule, which in this case, this person matricule is matricule, so you provide your own personal matricule. This is a default account we have created, and then you provide your password. If this is your first time of visiting this site as a student, every student password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can log in and change your password. So by default, your username is your school matricule, while your password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which is what I'm going to do now. I'm logging in with my password. So once I log in with if my username and password is correct, this is what I'm seeing. Normally, the first time you log in, this is the page you are going to see, edit profile. Under edit profile, you are expected to provide the system an emergency contact. An emergency contact is a contact of a person that if you are in trouble or they need somebody to contact, that person will be the next person that the school can contact. So when we talk of an emergency contact, there are many students that will try to cheat the system by saying that they will provide a same telephone number to be the emergency contact. Meaning if you are in trouble, there will be nobody to contact. When they will call, your phone will be the one ringing. So the system prohibits that. That is why if you are a student and you provide your telephone number to be the same as your emergency contact, the system is going to block it and they will throw a message here that your number and parent telephone number cannot be the same. So if your emergency contact is in Cameroon, what you just need to do is you come here. If I want to change my emergency contact, for example, this is a case where you have gotten an emergency contact you want to change. I can come there and I choose another country, for example, Canada. This forms becomes empty now. I come back now and I choose Cameroon. Because at times when you have chosen an emergency contact, to change it is difficult. If the number is already there, always make sure that you choose another country so that the form becomes empty. Then you go back, you choose the correct country where you want to write the emergency contact. So this is what I'm going to consider to be my emergency contact. As you can see from here, then I'll provide my valid email address because I need it to reset my password each time I forget my password. Then you choose your gender, your place of birth, and then you can also edit your date of birth from there. So this is what is required for every student that logs in the first time. If this information is valid, what you just need to do is you take save. Once you take save, it carries you to this profile. This is your student profile. The first thing you are seeing there is we are in first semester. When the semester changes, the school will change the semester. So we are in first semester. Your name will be there. Then your matricule will be there. This one is just because we are using a test account. Now the academic year is there. So what we want you to do is go through this profile. This is it here. When you click on this this menu here at the top left hand, click on dashboard. This is your profile. Go here and check if your class is correct. This one cannot be changed. You cannot change your class. It's only the IT team or the administration that can change it. So if you see that your class here is wrong, either your level or your program is wrong, you visit the IT team or the administration or the office in charge of that and complain that the portal is giving you a wrong program or a wrong level. Then you are not, they will change it and automatically, instantly, it will change in this particular system. Now, if your gender, your email, your contact, that is emergency contact, or if any of these things are wrong, you can come back always. You can always come back to the menu, take edit profile. You can change any of these. This is what you can change. But when it comes to things like when it comes to the class, your class, if your class is wrong, you cannot change it. It's only the administration, probably the IT team, that can change it. This is also the campus. If you are in a campus where the school is having multiple campuses, if you are found in a wrong campus, also report to the IT team so that you can change your campus. So 2 things that you cannot change are: 1, your class. You cannot change your class and you cannot change your campus. Any wrong information here, you report to the IT team. On scrolling down, the system is going to list if you have been in the institution for 3 years and you have been using this system for 3 years, all the classes and the academic year in which you were found in that particular class will be listed here. So please, this is the page that you check to make sure your information is okay. If your information is not okay here, it's going to affect your fees record and it's also going to affect your transcript. So always update your information. Check if everything is okay here. If your class or your campus is wrong, you can contact the IT you can contact the IT office for the necessary corrections. Why? If your your guardian telephone number or whatever is not even, let me go back to edit profile. You click on this menu, you take edit profile. You see here you can edit your telephone number. You could edit your guardian telephone number and your email, even your gender. This is important because it will be used in your transcript. Now, if you have a problem with 3 things, if you have a problem with your name, if you have a problem with maybe your matricule, because your matricule, you not have a problem with matricule. So we are saying if you have a problem with your name, if you have a problem with the program or the class you are or the campus, you must contact the IT team for necessary changes. Now, lastly, if you want to change your guardian telephone number, remember that guardian telephone number cannot be the same as your telephone number. So if you want to change your guardian telephone number, if you have provided a number here and you want to change it, you see here you cannot change. You see here you want to change to a guardian, you cannot type here once you've deleted. So what you need to do is, you see you cannot type. I'm trying to type in, it's not it's not showing, the box is not accepting me to input figures there. So if I want to change it and I had written it, what I just need to do is I can choose another country, Cape Verde for example. Then I come back to the former country that I want the number to be. I choose back Cameroon now. Then I will be able now to type. So for you to type when you had already typed and you want to change, choose a different country, the form will refresh. Then you go back to the former country you want to provide the guardian telephone number, and then you save. So this is how you can check your profile. Right now the number and I save. So this is basically how you can check your profile. And remember that your guardian telephone number should never be equals to your telephone number. If it is that way, then the app will not accept it. Thank you.